or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer and we're going to review this adorable elegant poinsettia felt pillow. And I have never made a pillow kit before, so this was fun to do. This kit is definitely beginner friendly. If I had to give it a rating, it was like really quick to make. I think it took me less than a week, probably 4 or 5 days max to put it together. So I am really excited to show you what it looks like when it's done. I decided not to do a tutorial for this particular kit because it was that easy. This is great for any beginner. So there's a couple of things that I wish was different, and I'll go over those in a minute. But here's the picture of it. It is a 10 by 10 size, which is actually smaller than you think. The picture that it shows you is kind of deceitful a little bit because it looks bigger, especially when there's pillows behind it. So I'll show you the actual size here in a minute. It comes with stamped felt, beads and sequins, and separated embroidery thread. So here are the instructions. So when I opened this up for the first time, I was stunned at how many steps there were. There's only 52 pieces to this kit, so really quick to make up. So if you need like a really quick Christmas gift or some type of holiday gift or something fun to make for the holidays, this is perfect for you. It also has a design chart on the back with the keys and everything, and it shows you how to make the little circles in the middle and all that stuff. And then on the back of the picture, it gives you a chart of everything. And yeah, pretty easy. And of course it comes with beads and sequins and stuff like that. So that's what's inside. Now let me actually show you the finished pillow. So here is the finished pillow. And as you can tell from my hand, it is not very big at all. And I've got pretty big hands. So if you look on my mat here, so my mat right here, each square is about 1 inch by inch. So it measures exactly 10 inches by 10 inches. So I stuffed this pretty well, and it feels like a pillow, which is nice, and it'll stand up. If you want it to. I think this would look really cute on your couch, on a nightstand, anywhere where pillows will live. This will be a really great addition, a really great accent pillow. As you can see, there's a ton of beading work. There's not a lot of embroidery, which is nice too, so it really is quick to make up. The beads do take a little bit to put on. Yeah, so I'm really, this is such a pretty simple design, and it's very elegant and great for the holiday season. There's only a few colors here. These little berries are only held on by the sequins. The middle here was interesting putting it together. So these little balls are held on by the bead and sequin only, and each ball is stuffed. And if you look at the picture, it does look a little bit different on the picture. I don't think I stuffed them as much as the picture, but I didn't want to stuff them that much, so I wanted them to have that more compact look to it to give it the fullness instead of it looking like a bunch of random balls in the middle. I don't know. That's just a personal preference though. So as you can see, when you open up the kit, the pillow itself is double-sided, and notice how this side doesn't have any stitching because it does fold out. So you do fold it in half and then applique it and then stuff and then close. So it's pretty simple to put together. I think the longest part besides the beading was doing the customization. I took the opportunity to customize this for a birthday present for a family member. So, and they'll be seeing this afterwards, so I'm not too worried about it. But I had this made for a family member for their birthday, and that took the longest, honestly. If you decide to personalize the pillow, that takes a while. So I haven't done hand embroidery like this, like customization, in quite some time, so it did take me a little bit. But overall, this pillow turned out so beautiful and elegant, and I think it would look great with any type of decor during the holiday season. And if you have a friend whose birthday lands during the holiday season, it's a great, and if they like poinsettias, this is a great gift. So if I had to rank it between 1 and 10, 1 being easy, 10 being difficult, I would say this is about a 3 on the easy scale. So if you've made this kit, let me know in the comments below. Also, I do have an email list sign up. You guys get a coupon. So make sure you look under this description box here. It's totally free to sign up. I do monthly newsletters, and I plan on doing exclusive deals and new item like announcements, or things like that. So, which I'm really excited to do because I've never done like a newsletter type thing before. So I'm excited to design them and to share them with you guys, and to have a community who's interested in my work. So a lot of the coupons are for my Etsy shop. If this is your first time viewing this, I do have an Etsy. The link is in the description. Check it out if that's your thing. But yeah, I really enjoyed this pillow, and honestly, I was a little intimidated because I've never done a pillow before, like ever. Even a normal pillow, I've never made a normal pillow. So I was really excited to get this and to do it, and to just kind of not have a time crunch on doing a tutorial on it, and just kind of making it at my own pace. And luckily it whipped up really quick. So if you're new to this, this is a really great beginner kit. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope it was helpful. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch to the end. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.